Hello everybody, Currency Den here. Got a unboxing to do. Got some pretty cool notes that came in. So let's have a good journey. Okay, starting off, we got the one new shekel from Israel. I got two of those. I have two of these 1,000 kip from Laos. I have this 1,000 franc from the Ivory Coast, Western African states. Let's see. I have this 500 franc from, well, it's a CFP franc from the French Pacific Territories. Tahiti, I do believe. French Polynesia. This 50,000 dong from Vietnam. Let's see what else I got here. I got two these 20 baht from Thailand. With King Rama the 9th. I have this 60 baht from Thailand, celebrating the 60th birthday of King Rama in 2006-2007. He was born in 1927 in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Let's see. I have this 10. Oops, sorry. From New Zealand. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Have this 50 from New Zealand. Okay, let's see what else I got. Let's see here. Okay, 3 of these 1 reals from Saudi Arabia. Have 2 5 reals from Saudi Arabia. Let's see. And I have a 10 real from Saudi Arabia. I have a $10 real from Qatar. And a 1 dinar from Bahrain. Alright guys, you'll have a great Saturday. Happy collecting. I think that's everything. Yep, that's everything.